So there's some controversy as to, does this is called a cup. Does this go this way or does it go this way? On the blueprints, it comes this way. But common sense would dictate this way. So if you notice, there's the race, there's the bearing, and there's a groove around it. And the bearing is elevated past the race. So we'll take a look at this one here. So when you look at it this way, the bearing is elevated above the race, and it's also elevated over its outer bearing holder. So if you were to put this way, as the blueprints show, this is what the blueprint has. You've got this big gap here. If you put it this way, now you've got protection to hold in the grease and keep out debris. So let's take a look at it in here. If I put it this way according to the blueprints, there's a gap all the way around here. So debris can get in there. And it's always easier to get them in than to get them out. I'll be editing that in. Now if I put it this way, and we'll be filling it with grease, then I get not a perfect seal, but a much more efficient seal. It'll hold the grease in and keep debris out. And then this would go on top, followed by this specialty nut with the crown. That goes on that. So we're going to go against the blueprint. We're going to follow what it looks like on the parts list. Diagram. And we're going to follow the common sense of getting better protection of our bearing. I asked around the Stearman community and I get differing opinions, but this seems to be the most logical and efficient way.